Hi guys, today we're going to be testing out something for one of our group members, Katie. So thank you so much, Katie, for asking. Her question was, what's the difference between the extra fine point pen, which is this one I'm going to show you, and the fine point pen? She wanted to see if there's a measurable difference between the two so that way when she's crafting, she knows if it's worth investing in an extra set of pens. So I'm going to show you guys the difference between the two. I'm using an older standard grip mat for working on cardstock. However, the blue light grip mat is usually recommended. So let's go ahead and load this in. So for this example, the machine is asking us to start out with the 0.4 tip, which is the one I'm using in black, and then we'll be using the 0.3 in red here. So let's go ahead and insert this. When you're working with the Explorer series machines or the Maker, you'll press this in side A and press down until you hear the click. If you're using the Joy, you just set it in and then close it. Let's go ahead and get started. Now that it's finished writing that section, we're going to go ahead and switch. The machine will tell you when to switch to the next item. So we'll go ahead and click our pen in here. This is the extra fine point, and press the resume button. Now we're ready to remove it from the machine. Make sure to cap your pens so that they stay nice and vibrant. So what do you guys think of the finished project? So I think there is a measurable difference between the extra fine point pen and the fine point pen. I know that the color on the black pen, which is the fine point pen, will show up more than the red. But just taking a look at it, just see the writing. And I really do think that it is a bolder type of a look with the fine point versus the extra fine point. But anyways, if you guys haven't tried using the pen feature on your machine, I definitely recommend it. You can really have fun and play around. These would be perfect for making custom cards especially. Or if you just want to add something to kind of decorate in your home, this is such a great way to do it, and it's very inexpensive. This is just a single sheet of cardstock, and I just used 2 different colors of pens. You can often find the pens on clearance as well on Cricut's website. I do have a coupon code and an affiliate link in case you're interested. I'll leave that information in the description box for you. Let me know what you think. What's your opinion? Do you think there's a big enough difference between the two to invest in it for different projects, having different sizes of pens, or are you happy with the look of one versus the other? I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys later.